appreciate it. That's God's presence right there. Listen, isang tanong, isang sagot. Sino mga nagmamahal dito? That's right, you know what? Nothing and no one is beyond love. Kahit gano'n ka katigas, kahit gano'n ka kaastig, kahit gano'n ka marunong ka rin magmahal. Listen, kung nagmahal ka na ever sa buhay mo, at kung minahal ka na sa buhay mo, we're gonna sing this song as loud as you can. Kaya ba natin gawin yun, everyone? You know what? Kinanatan ng lahat na pinuntahan namin ng sobrang lakas. And I got a feeling, this evening, kakantahin ko ng Dubai na mas malakas sa lahat ng ginawa nila. Kaya bang gawin yun, everyone? I have a feeling. So in the count of 3, you're gonna sing this song at the top of your lungs. Ready? Boys. It's their time. Come on. Come on. 1, 2, 1. So let's go.
Ang himalay sa'yo'y bibintang.
Baby, love in each. Love in each. Save me. Loving you save me. Loving you save me. Ang himalay sa'yo ibibintang. You know what I'm saying? Haven't felt so divine till I look in your eyes. You know what? Meron po isang post na nag-viral dahil dinefend ko yung song ko na Marilag. I'm not just defending a song. Hindi ko po ito kinikwento sa lahat ng kaibigan ko. Hindi to alam ng ibang kabanda ko. Hindi to alam ng ibang tropa ko, pero I feel like I need to share this evening. You know what? The song Marilag, nasulat ko po siya after I survived a suicide. You know? There was a time that wala na po akong chance. I mean, hindi ko alam kung saan ko hanapin yung peace at ligaya na na dating mayroon ako, everyone. Hinahanap ko yung katahimikan ng isip na yun. Pero guys, listen, kahit anong gawin mong effort, hanapin yun, you're never gonna find it dito sa mundong ito. You know what? Nakita ko lang yung perfect peace na hinahanap ko. That time, my Jesus found me. You know what? Minsan, abot sa point na sobrang drain ka na, at umabot ako sa point na yun. Maybe this evening, lahat ng Pilipino nasa harap ko ngayon, mga OFW tayo, siguro minsan sa isip natin, kailan ba ako mapapahinga? Kailan ba ako magkaka-deserve ng time para sa sarili ko? Maybe this is God talking to you, and this is the time that He's with you every time. Now listen, sinabi ko kanina, hindi kayo uuwi nang hindi kayo nag-enjoy. No! Hindi kayo uuwi nang hindi kayo nararanasan yung pag-ibig na nararanasan ko ngayon. Ano? So if you love God, come on, make some noise! Let's do this! Sing this song in all our hearts. Anyone needs compassion, love, let mercy fall on you. Anyone needs forgiveness, and kindness of a Savior.